My name is Shivalik Raina, and this is my solo project, MiniReddit. It's a Reddit-style social discussion app which is built entirely using Kotlin and Firebase. Let me walk you through the major features, motivations, and some of the technical decisions and challenges that I tackled along the way. So this mini Reddit app is a simplified community-based platform where users can browse topic-specific boards, create posts with text or images. They can interact via comments and upvotes, upvotes or downvotes, and they get notified in real time. So this project reflects real-world development practices using Firebase as a backend and view-based XML layouts to align with course expectations. So let's start with logging. So I'll start with using a new user. I'll try to log in with this new user. When I click sign in, um, it shows this message that the login has failed. So now I will switch to sign up, and then, all right. So the users authenticate via Firebase authentication using email and password. The app supports login, sign up, log out, and it automatically routes new or returning users appropriately. Uh, Upon logging in, upon the user login, the users land on the home screen. This displays a list of community boards like cars, Android dev, gaming, etc. So each board shows a join or leave button. The search bar at the top lets users filter communities in real time. So this search um, uh, I have implemented using text watcher and filtering in adapter. So this feature was built using Recycler View with data from Firestore and updated via real-time snapshot listeners. Now, if another user joins or leaves the board, those changes are reflected immediately on the screen by leveraging Firebase's real-time database sync. Um, so clicking on a board, let's click on this Android dev. So it'll show all the posts, uh, that are created in that board, including votes or vote counts and comment counts. Um, So the users can create new posts using floating action button, this one. Um, and the create post screen allows title, let's say demo, um, post title test one. And the create post screen allows title, description, an image upload via Firebase storage. I used Glide to load and crop images in a memory efficient way. So I'll just click on choose image and randomly select an image. The image will get displayed like as shown here when the user clicks on submit post. All right, and the user needs to join this post. Join this board in order to post. Within a community board. If the user is not a member, the user cannot post. So this is the restriction that I have added. So in order to save time, I'll just copy this and click on home. So we were trying to create a post here and right there. Let's create a post here in cars. So now we can see the post here, right? And if a user clicks on this post, a post details screen will show up. And so we can see the full post, an image. If it is provided, then image will load here and a list of comments here. So let me add sample comments like sample comment one. So each comment shows vote counts and the relative time it was added. So it's using date utils dot get relative time span string. Um, so the comment and vote data is pulled using nested five-star collections and updated in real time using snapshot listeners. The users can upvote or downvote or downvote both posts and comments, and they can toggle their votes dynamically, and even they choose to not vote at all. So that can also they do. So this feature required careful management of mutable state per user and post, and using firestores.collection.document structure. Um, so I will log in as a different user in order to show the next screen, which is notifications. So let me log out, and then I'll log in as Fake 4. Um, so for now, I am not restricting users based on whether they are members or not to in order to vote or comment, but they cannot create a post if they are not a member. And we saw that when a fake 6 user was logged in. So I'm logged in as fake 4. So clicking on this post here, and this was fake 6 who created this post as well as added this comment. And if I click on here, uploading this and downloading this one, and then adding a comment as, all right, sample comment 2 by fake or user. And we'll notice that the comments, they are ordered. So the latest comments or the newer comments will appear, uh, in descending order actually. So we'll see the older comments at the top, newer comments at the bottom. Now I will log out and log in as fake 6 user. So for notifications, this was one of the most complex and rewarding parts of the project. The users, so here the users receive real-time notifications when someone uploads their comments or posts, and notifications are grouped in this tab, notifications tab. Um, I implemented a badge counter as shown here in red. So this will show the number of unread alerts, and each alert shows a message and icon, and that varies based on type. like if it's a upvote, downvote, or a comment. And when the user clicks on it, that badge will go away. So here we'll see fake user first upvoted the post and then downvoted the comment, and then the user added uh, a comment on the post. So what we'll do is we'll go back to the cars. Since we are logged in as the fake 6 user, the one who created this post and added the first comment. So what I'll do is I'll just mark upvote on the fake 4 user's comment, and I'll say, so now um, I will log out and log in as fake 4. And we'll notice the comment was my comment. Sorry, the comment by the fake 4 user was um, upvoted, right? And the badge shows the unread alert on the notifications tab, and it says like fake 6 user upvoted your comment. And the notifications are stored in Firestore, and unread states are tracked with a flag. So I demonstrated this, by logging in as different users, by commenting on a post and then logging back and forth by different users. And we did, observe that here on this demo, that the alerts, they appear instantly and the badge disappears as soon as the notifications tab is visited by the user. So now let's navigate to the profile screen. So this profile screen lets the users view their email and the number of boards that they have joined. So right now, this fake 4 user has joined only one board. We'll see here, it's only one board, gaming board. So if they join cars, um, notice that the number of members for this board has also increased from 1 to 2. And now going to profile shows 2 boards. So the users can upload or change their avatar, which is also stored in file-based storage and loaded with Glide, and they can log out safely, which clears the session and navigates back to the auth fragment. So let's try to change the avatar image. So click here and then select this, and then navigating back and forth and see if it works. Fine. Yep. So throughout the project, I used Android Studio and a Pixel 7 emulator. Um, I used manual fragment transactions for better control, Gradle for dependency management, and then file-based Firestore, file-based storage, and authentication. The challenges, one of the major challenges was that I faced was setting up file-based cloud functions. Initially, I struggled with installing functions in the wrong directory. I had trouble dealing with mismatched, versions for Node.js and TypeScript versions, and there was this recurring error. int32 array is not generic, so it created a lot of problems, and I had to follow, Stack Overflow and forums looking for solutions and answers in order to troubleshoot such errors. Um, and um, finding the solution for them or fix for them. Um, you know, I was able to resolve this INT32 array by switching to TypeScript 5.8 and by updating Firebase dependencies. Again, based on insights from Stack Overflow and official docs. Although I initially planned to use Cloud Functions for server-side notification triggers, I later moved this logic client-side to avoid any surprising costs and reduce complexity. Well, later I found out that the free plan, was enough for this demo. Um, yeah. So this MiniReddit app showcases end-to-end integration with Firebase backend, and there is a complex nested data handling for posts, comments, and votes. And there are real-time updates, and we did see the mutable shared state via Firestore listeners, and I was able to demonstrate that as well. So there is a clean UI with real-time search, avatar uploads, and secure login. So that's all. Thanks for watching this demo of MiniReddit. It was really an exciting and challenging solo project that helped me apply everything I've learned in this course from, XML layouts to Firebase integration, fragment navigation, recycler view, and the best practices and a lot more. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you. Have a good one.